Hi, hello, Adab, Namaste. Welcome to Suta Talkies. Today we have a very interesting personality, Miss Bindu Chandravalira.
Mrs.
Mrs. Bindu Chandravalira.
Hi, Andy. Hello. Welcome to our talk show. Yes.
So you've debuted with a short film, Ganjika. Then you've gone to act in a few movies like Pushpa 1 and 2, then George Reddy, Kick 2, big production of the big budgets. So how was your experience being and how was it your journey being?
Uh, it's been a very interesting journey actually because I started a short film because I really wanted to see how acting before the camera was because before that I hadn't acted before the camera. I was on stage but not before the camera as such. So I started not just acting in short film but I was also assistant director to a short film. Okay. Slowly, once you start doing bigger production houses, you learn a lot, not just about acting, but majorly you learn about the industry, you learn about other nuts and bolts of the industry. Because I think working in cinema is not just about acting, but it is a lot of uh, personality development, I would believe, because you need patience, you need persistence, you need to be able to handle stress. Right. You need to be able to handle a lot of rejections. You need to keep your egos in control. So there's a lot of personality development in itself that you would done once you start working with bigger productions.
I mean, this industry itself is a high. I mean, there's a lot of failure attached to it. I mean, failures are a chale cone. How do you take all those questions? Because you give a lot of auditions, you tend to fail a lot, and then you have to move yourself to get more. Yeah, this is everything. Yeah. So, what boosts an actor's mind?
I think initially, I think every actor feels disappointed, obviously, because as you said, just failures are what you would face first. It's not just first, even after a few successes, you would face failures. So detection is a part of the process here. So it is not like in most of the industry, people think that struggle and failures are only in the beginning. And once you reach a point, that it's all going up only, it's all success. But I think in this industry, it is different because here you face rejections. You pick up, you feel like you're successful and you have reached a point, but you're going to face rejections again. So rejection, I think how much of a successful you are, at some level or the other, rejection becomes a part of the process. So as much as working becomes a process, rejection is equal or sometimes more than working harder. So I think initially, yes, everyone will be disappointed, everyone gets frustrated. And I have also go through the same process of frustration, disappointment, giddy up, and everything. But initially, you understand that it is part of the job.
So, you just have to learn from it and move on.
That's all. You learn. I mean, there's nothing to learn from failures, and if it's a part of the process, I mean, you should just accept it. Not all failures are going to teach you in the industry, but it is. Okay. You just have to accept it and move on. It's part of life. That's all.
So, నేను కొంచెం రీసెర్చ్ చేశాను అన్నమాట మీ గురించి. So, I've seen that you studied here, like gone to the US, you done your MBA over there. Much lucrative career ఉంది నీకు యూఎస్‌లో. And then you were there for like 10 years. I think you worked for 10 years over there. And then you wanted to come back and pursue acting. So, how did that happen? I mean, did you find that risky?
Uh, so basically, I was always interested for this. I've always been a stage person. Okay. So I was like learning dance or doing
People, please, Adam.
stage person, probably it's a different for the arts. I was always inclined towards arts and stage. So I've been a dancer and I also uh, uh, I did some drama work in the school and everything. So stage has always been arts and have always been part of my life. However, my career had always been about studies and academics because I was good at academics also. And in those days, dreaming about becoming an actor or making it as a profession was never a career step at that point of time, especially when you're pretty good at academics. So I was good at academics, so I studied and I went and did the masters. And obviously, my career was going there. But eventually, as a hobby, I was doing some workshops over there on that Impact US. But I also went married and I had my kids also over there. So finally, when we as a family had decided that it was time to move back to India because we wanted the kids to now go the grandparents and everything. We as a family, I decided, and me also, I also was kind of looking for something uh, to do with my passion. So then I thought, okay, we're making a big move. We'll make it together a big move. But I decided that I'll leave that career and I'll try in acting, in cinemas, acting as a profession. But it was a risky thing. But I think I had a backup because one thing, I already had a career, so I had, and I should try. And secondly, my husband was already working. So at least I have that backup or not like. So yeah, my husband works in IT. Yeah. So even I was in IT. Yeah, I was software too. So I wouldn't say it was a complete risk. It was a risk in from double income you go to single income. That was a risk to my career. But I also was confident that if this does not work out, I'd always have my backup plan because of my experience and career. So
So you've actually lived the dream of everything. Every second, road में निकल every second डेढ़ person आ जाता है audio type of. Either they want to do movies or either they want to go abroad, second music, given and God. So you've done both of them. How is life for you? I mean, you've done both of the things because a lot of people want to do the same thing. What was your experience? Why did you want to go to abroad first?
uh, I guess I wanted to see the world.
You wanted to see the world.
Yeah, for me, I love exploring. I love traffic. I love exploring. I wanted to see the world, and US was the first step to that in that direction because it's a lot easier to see the world and you only dollars.
Before you were singing this stuff, I get you.
After my MBA here,
MPQ done it?
at that my MBA year, and then I went there in like another master's. Shit, this is station red.
Which you used to?
Texas Tech.
That's really nice.
Yeah, so and in that got IT management information system. In my management information systems, that's my specialization. So yeah, so majorly I went because I wanted to explore the world and I wanted to see how the higher education abroad was, and I wanted to see the rest of the world. And dollars was better minister about it. So that's where I went, and but I knew that eventually I'll come back to India. I knew that in my mind. I always think that my whole life was not going to be there.
So I'm a weird degree myself also. Yeah. I've done my MBA from Sigurds Pune. So I could relate what it was, what your journey was like. So coming to the point, so how did your movie career start? Katilla started how from the short film that working in different production houses. Was it working at different directors? Surinder, how was it?
It was very interesting. Actually, the my career path started with open auditions.
Okay, wow.
I still do auditions. So 10 years and I'm still doing auditions and I would always obviously have to do auditions. That's part of the acting casting process. So mine started with open auditions. So I used to go to all the open auditions at every office I'd ever conducted. Uh, so, and in that process, the first big movie I did was Kick 2. Before that, I did independent films.
Okay.
My career started with independent films, but my first big move was Kick 2. And Kick 2 was majorly a on-the-job training for. I didn't know there was a concept called company artists, and I just thought I auditioned, and they told me you have a character, and I had a scene, and I could perform with that scene, and I had dialogues and everything. But then once I got it set, I understood that okay, it's something called company artists. You're roped into somewhere, you hit in every scene in the back. So that was a really interesting experience, I should say, being in the background of every scene and realizing that you are not always in the place because in independent films it's not like that. So that was interesting because you're on the set, but you might be standing there relaxing, but you might not be seeing your face, and you're part of a big group, and we might not actually be seen on the screen or still that end of the day, whatever performance that you got, I beat it out. And then I'd be seeing here and there. Nothing against the background artists, but that does not what I expected. That's how it is. But Sunitha again had engaged me a lot. He's like, I remember in those days he said, whatever this movie is doing, but I think you have a good career and you are hardworking and you're very professional and you take things very seriously. So you have a career in this place. So he did encourage it. So it was very nice of him to do that, despite of me being a corporate artist. It was quite
He's very warm up.
yeah, he was quite preachy. And from there started my journey of big movies. So then I had to carefully choose as to what has been my reproduction task. It wasn't easy to choose one character you want to, because you want to be part of the reproduction, but you can't just say yes to everything that comes your way. That's when I understood that, oh, okay, you have to really understand how your character fits in the big picture just because you have to see start saying for 40 years of shoots and all that. Finally, after 10 years, I did a lot of brilliant characters in small movies and web series, and then Pushpa recently. And
So part of bosom with the fight for the how. So I mean Pushpa, you done a great job, you mala good much character. But don't you feel that you're limiting yourself by acting in such roles where your mother is someone? Because Babu Ram Goda, my hero or mother, let's Pushpa Goda, Pushpa Walla Jesa. But and the older character is pull how I does it not feel that you're limiting yourself?
okay, so for this, I would have a counter question. Okay. Tell me the kind of characters my age group women have in Telugu cinema.
And
Name a few.
no, I mean because the 10 years industry directly earlier August guy either try this or something of that sort you know.
I say I kept the industry when I was 35.
Okay. Okay.
So let's just say there was no opportunity to do hearing. Yes, there were opportunities to do second league and predominance, but
Okay.
women in 30s are doing characters now. It didn't happen 10 years back. After OTT had come, women in 30s started getting better characters. And even for women in 30s who are getting better characters in mid 30s and late 30s, are those women actually going as heroines in the 20s and became popular when they were 20? But who entered at that point of time are not doing characters who had been in the industry for 20 years and they are 15 years and have done characters. And then they come in 30s, then they're grabbing these opportunities of Korean platforms where they're getting better roles and protagonist roles. So that too in Hindi cinema, not even in Telugu cinema, if you see for that kind of. Telugu cinema, even history and the heroines are also competing with supporting actors for mom roles like the Odina Rotske. Mom roles, Odina Rotske compete just na Telugu cinema, Maliki Riti Vachi. So we have to again compete with them all over the normal or in a row. So until recently after COVID, I did not do more roles. I did Orina and sisters. But then the Orina sister roles also are very limited. And that very limited, there was immense competition. Because there were no other roles for that age group. You are either a sister or you're a sister-in-law or you're your mother. Men had a lot of roles. They could be lawyers, it could be daughters, it could be this man, villains, this, that. 3-4 villains in movie will have to cinema will have, so like not this villain, it can be that villain or that villain. Something, but even who have so many characters be done.
Women roles are except limited.
Yes, women roles are itself limited, and for that limited roles, women who have worked as heroines are also competing if it's a role is well written. With women like you came in the middle or came very late into the industry are also competing. Too many people competing. That's what they did. That's when I realized that okay, the best thing if you want to be with Telugu cinema is it's okay. Mom is one thing that people write better than others. Even that also I could they could write even better. It's always a father who's the likes of stove, the likes as much as father. But still, Mom is somewhere at least they will show you properly. You have a character that is established or is factor to the story at least. So I felt like, yeah, so if you want to be in this industry, you have to do that. But yes, OTT has given me opportunity to do the kind of roles that you're talking about. So in web series, I had different kind of roles.
But yeah, mom characters offside. Mom characters generally about collecting their lads is what it. You share the pop.
Yeah,
Like
but unfortunately, the script and how is there is that.
yes. Can't comment on it, but yeah. So okay, I mean it's nice journey. So going ahead. So any challenging roles that you want to pursue going forward?
Oh, of course. Of course, like there's no specific challenge, any role that is challenging that turns your story around and you become the part of turning a story around or taking the story forward or making an impact in the story is a significant role. So it does not have to be a bigger screen time. And it could be a very small screen time, could be just one single scene or just two scenes in the movie. But any significant role that takes the story forward or that turns the story around is what any actor would love to do. And that is what I would love to do too. And I had an opportunity in some websites like Paru, Vyavastha. I had some opportunity to do something which was not a typical mother. I'm not against mom roles because there are brilliant roles we can for mom also where you can do, and it's not easy. Like Babula person, not easy mom to do it. It's a different kind of a mom. So, uh, but I had other roles also where the story could take it forward and where the character had an arc. It starts somewhere and then it ends somewhere. So I've done that in web series and I've led to do much better ones where in cinema mostly or in web series, but hopefully something that reaches a wider audience.
Women antagonist jokes unte alanga.
Of course, I've done them and no for that, yeah. But Nene Raju Nene Mandri is my women and first women attackness that I will hope for Nene Raju Nene Mandri doing a movie. I'm mostly known for that only, the Sarpanch by actorness. And my recent film, Ka, I'm the main antagonist in that, in Ka. So yeah, I'm quite confident. But as I said, very few roles are written with that, and there are a lot of competition for shoes.
So how do you prepare yourself for different characters? Protagonist is a character, antagonist is a character. What goes through your mind? It's mentally very challenging for an actor to pursue among those things. So what happens? What is your process? How do you go to each character? Breakup, prepare.
So for me, any role, whether it be antagonist or even if it is a small supporting role, all a mom role as we talk about, which is which has less screen time or more screen time than mother, or something antagonist, which people say it needs much more preparation. I think I have a similar kind of preparation for any kind of role, and that is mostly I try to understand a story and see where my character fits in the big picture, and then I listen to the director. For me, I believe I'm mostly a director's actor because I listened a lot to the director as to what he thinks about the characterization, what the character does. So I ask a lot of questions. I make question back. Some directors love me for this, some directors hate me for that. But either way, I'm a question back. So for me, a lot of questions I have. So I ask a lot of questions as to, okay, what is this character that she gives me or that she gives me? Sometimes most of the moms are not written on paper. But I ask her, can this mom be at this or is she this kind of a mom? Is she at birthday? Is she stay? Is she studying while is she the housewife? Is she okay with it? Or can she use English words in degree because she's already educated and sometimes she's also watching TV every day. So అంటే కొంచెం ప్రిపరేషన్ నాకేంటంటే ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగేసాను అంటే దీనికి నా బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ నా అటైర్ కూడా వీళ్ళు అంటే వాళ్ళు స్టైలిస్ట్ కాస్ట్యూమ్ డిజైనర్ చెప్పినప్పుడు నాకు కొంచెం నేను కూడా దాన్ని ట్వీక్ చేసుకున్నా అంటే ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు లుక్ లైక్ ద సేమ్ మామ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ మూవీస్. సో మామ్ అయినా కూడా చూడగానే ఆ మూవీలో మామ్ కదా అన్నట్టు ఉండకూడదు. ఈ మూవీలో మామ్‌కి, ఆ మూవీలో మామ్‌కి డిఫరెంట్ ఉండాలి అనేది నా పాయింట్. సో మామ్స్ కూడా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటారు కదా! వాళ్ళు కూడా క్యారెక్టర్సే కదా! అమ్మ లోపల ఒక మన స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ ఒక ఈవెన్ ఒక అందరు అమ్మలకి ఎక్కువ స్క్రీన్ టైమ్ ఇవ్వలే ఈ డైరెక్టర్స్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ దేర్ ఫాల్ట్. యూ కాంట్ బి స్క్రీన్ టైమ్ ఎవ్రి డైరెక్టర్ కదా! డైరెక్టర్ రైటర్ పార్ట్ కూడా వాళ్ళు దే హావ్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ద స్టోరీ అండ్ అదర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. యూ డోంట్ హావ్ టు గివ్. సో నేనేం చేస్తానంటే వాళ్ళు ఇవ్వకపోయినా కూడా ఐ ట్రై టు క్వెషన్ దెమ్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ దే డోంట్ హావ్ టైమ్ ఐ టేక్ ద టైమ్ టు దట్ అండ్ ఐ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ అండ్ ఐ టెల్ దెమ్ కెన్ షీ బి దిస్ వే, కెన్ షీ దిస్ వే అండ్ చెక్ దిస్ దెన్ I enjoy that process. And then I try to once ఆ క్వెషన్స్ అన్ని ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే నేను ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఒక బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఒక మైండ్ సెట్‌లోకి వచ్చాను. ఇలా ఇది అని బ్యాక్ స్టోరీ ఒకటి అండ్ దెన్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఐ గెట్ ఇంటు దట్. నేను స్పెసిఫిక్‌గా ఇలా ఉండాలి, అలా ఉండాలి ఆలోచించి చెప్తాను. అండ్ దెన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ డైరెక్టర్స్ ఇన్‌స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్.
మీ పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ పై చూసా మేము. When you while you acted, I find you very natural, very easy. I mean, you understand your character very is what I've understood. And were you acting since childhood, or how did that? I mean, I found it very natural in the acting. Okay, other way, found it very natural. So, how did you start as an actor?
అంటే తదందు యాక్టింగ్ బగ్గెట్ చేశాను. So basically, as I told you, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అంటే I've seen my dad on stage.
Okay, that was an actor.
My dad was scared to as a all day, scared as a all. He was a government employee, but mostly how we used to do एक साथ groups of theater, he saw stage. So it was very utilized to see him. But as I grew up, he stopped playing stage, acting and everything. He stopped. So I don't remember clearly.
Just a hobby.
He just is a hobby stage work. The stage theater.
Yeah.
అది కూడా జస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో వాళ్ళతో యూనివర్సిటీలో చేస్తారు. సో నేను చిన్నగా ఉన్న కొంచెం చూసినట్టు గుర్తాయింది స్టేజ్ మీద నాకు.
Okay.
బట్ నేను పెరుగుతున్న టైంలో నాకు ఎక్కువ మెమరీ ఉన్న టైంలో ఈ స్టాప్ దట్. సో ఐ నెవర్ సా. అది అలా అవ్వాలి అని నేను ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు. బట్ అది చూసిన తర్వాత నాకు అనుకోకుండా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మరి అని వచ్చింది. బికాస్ అది చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి డాన్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాను కాబట్టి అభినయం ఇష్టం. అందరిలో చూసి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఇవ్వటం. ఎదురు దూరదర్శన్ డాన్సెస్ దర్శిస్తే డాన్స్ చేయటం ఇవన్నీ నా ముందు నుంచే అలవాటు. సో రాబోయే అది అలా అయిపోయినట్టు వేరే క్యారెక్టర్ చంద్రముఖి ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ వేస్తే కాక నేను నువ్వు ఇచ్చేస్తా ఊహించేసి నేను ఫీల్ అయిపోతాను. సో I used to see that character and I used to start acting looking at that character, how it's behaving, and telikunda my face also used to change. Maybe that's I think that has made in the back of my mind probably.
సో ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు చేసిన రోల్స్ ఏవైతే మూవీస్ మొత్తం 60-63 మూవీస్ పైన చేసాం.
Yeah.
సో which character fit closer to your heart, or did you get connected?
So closer to the heart, let us see the different ways, right? One is that you feel that the character has some emotions or some attitude or some nature which is similar to yours. And sometimes the nature might not be similar, your character might be completely different. But it came out so naturally to you and it worked out so well that you really feel close to the character. So atla okatemo needed cheyamapli. I'm not an antagonist. And no, I'm not as hilarious as this much wife say that. So no, I don't type of Rakshas actor. But then I don't know the way Teacher were explaining the character. Automatically my body unleashed and eat the pan it that we are split. I'd come very naturally too. So I felt like something my body was ready to unleash the devil something. So that kind of make it close. And then Paluku and Pep series.
That felt a little close, but that is not like Sakpa.
Definitely not.
Yes, that's the matter. Authenticity, and that's the character.
As I said, it was scary. Probably I started feeling if I was like that, if I was IP, and I don't judge my characters. The main thing is I don't judge my character. If she's bad, as a bad person, I'm justifying it. I'm justified saying that I'm like this. Like this, and this is how I react. Of course, he's wrong and I'm right. So I don't judge my characters as bad. I justify my character as to yes, I'm right and he's wrong. So what character according to your character, I'm right. You're right. That's right. Yeah. So automatically, I started feeling the character. So I don't justify. I try to judge them.
Yeah.
The captain started like in real life when you're a very bold person. But if there's someone giving me a character, it's like who listens to husband, who not with even husband says so. Whether I approve that kind of a women or not is irrelevant, right? That is the kind of woman the writer has written that this is how this woman will behave. This is how this woman is going to be. I should not say given the Purdu, no, I don't think women should be like this. I don't know this woman should do more than this. I can't do that. So I can't judge what the writer had. But in that, okay, what else she can do another Avadisa? It's that kind of woman. I try to say in real life I know someone like that. Then know someone like that and I'll link some answers from who accept it. Then one like that, then I can't see people who that don't people get that. So
is Bruce.
no web series, yeah, that was there was a lot of me that our series with Radha and a character full of thaya and Abe, but yeah. So mostly you'd see the beginning of the character. Mostly the directors also wanted me to be myself. I said, here you talk outside, you just want to have to be there. So it came much naturally. But as the art goes, other changes and our emotions start coming out. So even when I was pouring my emotions out, so she suppresses her emotions, of course, out. I think most women do that. We suppress it somewhere or that we take it out somewhere else. So you tend to come and die with your real life and you do it. Suppress it up to set. So it's kind of you connect to your character, but uh, it's not completely right. But you bring a little bit of you also into what the director has to bring that authenticity with.
Nice. That's a quite fascinating story. That's Ikara, so since you worked in different genres, what is your kind of a genre that you want to work or you haven't worked yet? Or what is not a big genre do you make?
I love the working as an idol, hence I would talk more of that possibly. But the difficult part is to do a regular woman in the house, doing your business and being natural, but also saying your lines while you're doing business, while being natural, becoming part of the ambience, as if you're there but not there. But people know that, oh, she's like the Manik Flow, one Malari Manodi, I'll pick Charlie, but I still love her. I think that's more difficult. People think that being an antagonist, other age is performance, but I think that is also emotionally very exhausting. I'm not saying it's easy because I have emotionally exhausted myself several times on sets. But the thing is, I found that no, natural అమ్మలాగా బిజినెస్ చేస్తూ చేసే క్యారెక్టర్స్ నువ్వు సేమ్ అయిపోయి అది మార్చాలి అది డిఫికల్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక యాక్టర్ని ఒక అమ్మలాగా ఒక సినిమా చూస్తే ప్రతి సినిమాలో అలాగే అమ్మలాగా ఉందనుకోండి స్టీరియో టిపికల్ చేస్తారు కానీ అమ్మలాగా డిఫరెంట్ డిఫరెంట్ అమ్మలాగా చూసినా కూడా దాని బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ మార్చి ఈ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ అందులో ఏమనుకుంటున్నావు అనేసి మార్చి అయినా కూడా అది న్యాచురల్గా చూపించగలిగితే డిఫరెంట్ న్యాచురల్ అంటే న్యాచురల్ అయ్యి నీకు చేసేది న్యాచురల్గా ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ న్యాచురల్స్ అది చూపించడం చాలా కష్టమైన విషయం ఎందుకంటే యాంటాగనిస్ట్ అనేది సంథింగ్ పీపుల్ డోంట్ యూజువలీ డూ కొన్ని సకాలుగా నువ్వు మర్డర్ చేసావు అప్పుడు నిజంగా మర్డర్ చేసి ఎలా చేస్తావు న్యాచురల్గా దిగు సో అది గెస్ట్ చేయొచ్చు లేకపోతే వీళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్ ఈవెన్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ కానీ ఇంట్లో మనుషులుగా చేసినప్పుడు చాలా మంది తెచ్చిపోతారు చాలా అన్రియలిస్టిక్ గా ఉందో రియలిస్టిక్ గా ఉందో సో అది మోర్ డిఫికల్ట్ సో నాకు అలాంటి దానిలో అలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్ చేయాలి బట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ రోల్ నాట్ జస్ట్ ఏ మదర్ హూస్ లైక్ కమింగ్ అంటే ఏ కాఫీ ఇచ్చి ఎక్కువ కాసిన బుచ్చి సో అయ్యా నాకు సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ ఉండాలి బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి వెరీ న్యాచురల్ అండ్ రియలిస్టిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ రియలిస్టిక్ ఉండాలి న్యాచురల్ ఉండాలి అని సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ అదొకటి నచ్చేయాలన్నది అండ్ ఇట్ కుడ్ కామెడీ నా హాఫీషర్ చాలా ఉంది చిన్న చిన్న అక్కడక్కడ కామిక్ లైన్స్ చేసే అవకాశం వచ్చింది కొన్ని యాక్టర్స్ తో బట్ ఫుల్ అండ్ కామెడీ
Comedy with light comedy or dark comedy?
ఎనీ కైండ్
Bus we made dark comedy and a short maker Dalit.
రావాలి బట్ ఎందుకు అది నాకు ఐ కాస్ట్లీ నాకు వల్యారికిలోకి ఎక్కి నాకు అది మాట్లాడతాడు ఐ కాస్ట్లీగా మాట్లాడతాడు సో నేను ఐ వాంట్ గోయింగ్ టు దాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కామెడీ
So we Kerala up to I was working. What about the script?
is a very nice. Kiran is a very he talks very less. And I think so much.
Oh, yeah. He said it in Sepatu.
She did yes. So he talks less and I talk a lot. So the conversation could always be one-sided. But he's very sweet. He's what I understood on the sense also is that he was a producer of Carpo. Yes, not just that he was a producer, but still, yeah, it was very interesting because he used to listen to the director and he also gave other. So my speeches approved director that's series to involve me also. So I mean, the director and you know that calling the that this was just not right. Yeah, complicated. So he opened my head and he completely his stage director. Both the directors were new at first time. I saw him like completely getting to the director's vision.
Really good cow.
Yeah, he completely digs into director's vision. He's very patient and hardworking.
And studies the watching that for Pushpa Mane cover the Tara, Odesta Gesa.
That episode was wonderful. Like, I've seen him in
Obviously on sex.
Pushpa, especially. I'm seeing him in character most of the time. Anywhere he comes on the set, he comes with that. Not just attack. He's in this. This Boski is in the camp. So we have converse much with the guy. Conversations with you. He's directed much the guy. He wants out of ability to obvious hiding in special of what has to come of disaster. Very limited. He comes, he tossed it, and he another culprit is the he says hello my thing. Like he's courier. He's courier to everyone. But he's not he's jovial selling when he once he's acting he's pretty jovial, like he talks very nice. Actor by actor.
Sumar got the wrong name. How's Ricky? Wasa.
Oh brilliant. So I detail and it's Sir is sorry. Sir is always thinking about what next, what next, what. And again, it's a son of say, fine, it's a threat to me. And then Malay left and around that. Wait, Charlie, wait, just. Answer tomorrow. So sorry. Okay. And he will remember your question. He is busy also. After time, he will come back to you catch a book. And that's how he will never forget it. He చిన్న ఆస్పెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏంటంటే చిన్న చాలా మంది అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్స్ ఉంటారు సెట్ మీద ఏ అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ సజెషన్ అయినా ఆయన బ్రెయిన్ లో పెట్టుకుని ప్రాసెస్ చేసుకుని ఇమీడియట్ గా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు తర్వాత వచ్చి వాడు ఎందుకు నువ్వు చెప్పింది వాడు ఎందుకు నువ్వు చెప్పింది రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యి he has to make such processes and he tells people why he's not doing one that's such why he wants to do this. But he takes everyone's suggestion. Everyone is free to tell he does not trust it anymore. Like even I could say, sir, it's చేయొచ్చా అంటే నిన్ను చేస్తావు అన్నట్టు చెప్పాక ఓకే ఓకే ఇది ఇలా తీసుకోమని నీకు సో యూ డిస్కస్ విత్ యూ అంటే ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు హ్యావ్ ద గూగుల్ స్క్రీన్ క్యాన్ ఐ కెన్ జస్ట్ స్టాండింగ్ దేర్ బట్ ఐ కెన్ ఆల్వేస్ డిస్కస్ మై ఎమోషన్ విత్ హిమ్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ మై Indian.
Better.
So yeah, detailing is a lot, and the best thing I like the wording is the set shop the mate had it is he make sure you responds to it.
Yeah. Why how? What's interesting behind the scene moments similar in the films which you both are
Interesting.
behind the scenes. Very sad so much.
A lot on timing.
But in your mind there's love people in there.
No, తేజగా నాకు ఇక్కడ ఉంది
ఏమతిన్నారు అని చెప్పండి
ಜನರಲಿ ಏವತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ దాపు మేజర్ కిచ్చు పడేగి ఇలా నో దుడుకో పక్కన ఎగుతుంది బాగుంటుంది అందుకనే సీక్రెట్స్ అసలు సీరియస్ అవుట్ ఫోకస్ నాట్ కాబట్టి ఆన్ ద సెట్ సడన్లీ ఏదో సంథింగ్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు బై మిస్టేక్ నువ్వు అదే టైంలో మాట్లాడుతున్నావు ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ రైట్ కదా సో నేను దొరికిపోతాను అప్పుడప్పుడు ఏంటంటే బై మిస్టేక్ ఎవరితోనో పక్క రోజు మాట్లాడుకోకపోతాను యూజువల్లీ అలానే పోతుంది లేకపోతే పడతారు అయితే నేనే వాళ్ళైతే ఇలా చూస్తారు అయితే నన్ను సైలెంట్ ఎక్కి తేజ మైగి పెట్టి చెప్పకుండా మంచిగా తిట్టేసి చేస్తారు సో యూ బికమ్ మోర్ కాన్షియస్ నాకు బయట అయితే పక్కన జూనియర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఆమెకి తెలుగు రాదు ఈయన వచ్చి తెలుగులో సీన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు సార్ హార్ట్ వర్డ్స్ తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి ఎవరికి అప్పెట్టారా అప్పుడు క్యా కరు అంటే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చూసి అక్కడ అదే టైంతో ఆ బుక్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ హీ స్టార్టెడ్ సేయింగ్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్ అది వ్యక్తి ఓవర్లాప్ so obviously he is really upset. He's like, what are you taking? Yeah, just he might but it's now. నువ్వు ఎవరికి చెప్ప చేస్తే లైక్ అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ లెక్క అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ యాక్టర్ వా అని సారీ నాకు బాగా వస్తుంది అప్పటి నుంచి నేను ఓకే ఇది జస్ట్ షరా లైక్ పీపుల్ డూ దేర్ ఓన్ వర్క్ లైక్ అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్స్ డూ దేర్ వర్క్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు బి ఓవర్లీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ That you just be an actor there and people do it. Or as generic character, but she's later. Purely actually. You learn something. It's like, which is also a learning. Like, no, okay, obviously, you have.
The next question is actually, since you go, what was it one submission which touched you or which impacted you? I mean, that very helpful.
Again, teacher just now because when I did King what happened was the first time I came on the sets, because as I said, this important character and this was one of my very important characters that I think of my career. And I make out the unimportant and even in equated films have been very important characters, but the directors in equated films they talk to you a lot before I do workshops. You have a lot of discussions. So you're already into the character. So by the time you go to the shoot, you all know what we are doing. Independent films. But when you come to bigger films and bigger productions, you were just given a gist of that character and the scene. Because on a set, you get to things change a lot. Then also, maybe they say, things are going to change on a set, right? The way the sword might change, or even your situation, you'll have to have a happy. Things change a lot, actually. So, because that was no wrong, bigger productions and a bigger goal that I had in the beginning of my life. What happened was I met this set, right? Swag and it just lined it up first because that was the first time I was doing a scene in the public. Yagamti Tetulio, of the general public, not just the junior artist. General public will be watching it, go to a temple and do it outside. And because Rana and Pajan are here, lot of public had come to watch the shooting. It's too many people, too much of public, and there is Rana, then there is Teja Garu, then there is Kajal. So for me, it was a big day in the big league. So I was under stress to think that I have to do it perfectly. I should not forget the lesson. So I was always stressing myself, tell me what to look for the I don't feel like look for the right. But for me, it was like so important. And also, so I decided what I wanted to do. Like, I practice the motivation. This is how I'm going to motivate it. So I'm going to see the light. And then I went, said, after I said it, Terry said, no, I don't want it for this sake. But because I practiced it so much, my mind was set. So for me to take his inputs and change it was getting difficult. When you have already practiced the lights too many times, it becomes monotonous and you are so set into the preset motion that can the director tries to change your aspects of the body that you tries to change like light matches like about the change. So what do you change your emotion? The way say stick. It's difficult to do it right now. So I said, sir, but you told me last time do it this way and now I'm doing it. You are telling me this way. I said, what up? He said, this is going to change your dream head. Who asked you to discern in your mind and caption? No one was humble on the side. Know your life, but come with a blind mind. Come with completely black muscle. Stand there. Don't muck up your line certain modules. Go it. No, you have to know your life by heart. But not with a certain modulation emotion. Okay, come on this side, leave it open mic. On the set, what is that? Take it and put it in the set. So I've learned a lot in that, which is true because every director is different. You can't decide that this is how I'm going to play this character, this is how I'm going to say this. Because you decide something and the director wants something else. He's like, oh, say it this way. So you should be able to change it by the way. The moment the director says, change it this way, you change it. The moment the director says, oh, he feels emotion, you change it this way, then you have to be. Please. Yeah. You should be open, open, tip, honorable, figure. It's a
Quite an interesting story, but so okay, since you work with a lot of actors and actors, what makes a great, I mean, collaboration etla bond? What makes it
unique collaboration is between actors also. People think it's only between actor and like actor and director hota hai because you should also know that when you're upstairs and then you're acting, the director might not see the cup, but he might be giving you continuous instructions in the mic. You should be able to be in the character, keep taking that instructions, and keep be the character and only keep doing the modifications that are instructions that you're the in department. That is the character rapper is he has a director. As a director saying, you know what he means. And he says, okay, now to cup, know the character, why you're the why the director sell the direction. And he's not making art until you experience enough to do this build. He might be like, the monitor Charlie, he might be, okay, now this emotion is working. Now look somewhere else, not somewhere else. So do this. Then he's saying, you should know why he's asking you. So you should have understood the director's heater. So every director and every movie and every character has heater. And the subtle chapter for real so beginning first day you should be able to understand the director's meter.
Yeah.
What kind of subtlety he needs, what kind of express yes. Niku once Niku character exchange just about telling then you're giving something and the director says, no, give me more. If you understand it, okay, this is the way he expected. Or he says, oh, the Rampada the Puncham Sati change. So a conversation that you had on the first day, on the first scene is where you have to be open to listening to what it calls a iterations tarvata, you will understand that this is the meter he is expecting out of you. Once you know the meter is expecting out of you, you can start giving back quicker. And then when he's giving you instructions, you know exactly how to follow and you know exactly why he's giving the instruction while you're in the character. So our collaboration in there, more than that understanding, actors much do. So it's an action and reaction between two actors. So two actors much dokta niku advice. One is giving something. నువ్వు ఇలానే చేస్తాను నేను ఇలానే చేయట్లేదు. Someone is giving you something, you take that energy and you also push it to that level. What? So based on that actors, we did it good, it balanced workout hour. Just because you do it this way only, I will be this way and put on quite. So once you start listening to the actor and some actors break you up, you go to that actor and you also do the same. So our kind of collaboration అనేది మీకు వస్తుంది.
సో సిక్స్ చాలా మంది యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటారు సిక్స్ డిఫరెంట్ లీగ్ లెవెల్ యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ సో క్రియేటివ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ అనేవి పుట్టాయి. సో హౌ డు యూ హ్యాపీ టు డిఫరెంట్
Creative differences with director for supporting actors is very less because as supporting actors, you have to understand that this, especially as I told you, even supporting actors, they don't have as much return, don't have as much return. You don't even have as many creative differences. But I did have it certain characters where I felt like this has to be done. Why can't I do this? As a character, I do this. I almost created differences. I would say something like, as a character, you're creating something else, the director is asking people something else. Then you could always express it to the director. You could always say, sir, as a character, I feel that this is how this actor might do. But you are asking me to do this. It's not justifying in your mind. Then the director will explain to us. Either get convinced with what director says, or even if you don't get convinced, you do what director says. At the end of it.
you decide to do what
Like you either get convinced, you try to explain the director. The director thinks, no, this is what it's going to work because as sir always said, it's always a big picture. When there's a bigger picture, he will know how this scene lead to another scene. I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
So at that way, you listen to what the director says. And when it comes to creative differences between actors for working together, I think I'll say everything is about communication. You should not be afraid. However, you should also not be as if you know everything. So you should be very collaborative, very friendly in communication with your actors. So you could tell the actors, I can't do this, what about this solid either the actor could be my senior actor, they might put it. So you follow them, you see them, and then you adapt your second. Or you could communicate with for any actor, whether the person is senior actor or even if the person is new actor, if you are a senior person also, I think you have to be respectful to your work. That's more important, whether the actor is senior or not senior, junior, the respect that you heal another actor is what will enable better communication between actors. And when you enable better communication, both will go together. So you have to have the trust.
మీరు చెప్పే స్టేట్మెంట్ యాక్చువల్లీ షార్ట్ కామర్స్ ఉందని చూసాం. సో రిపోర్టర్ అడుగుతారు హౌ డూ హ్యాండిల్ స్టార్డమ్, హౌ డూ హ్యాండిల్ బికాస్ సచ్ బిగ్ యాక్టర్, హౌ డూ హ్యాండిల్ స్టార్డమ్ అంతా పడతారు. ఐ థింక్ నేను సెట్ యువర్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఇస్ డీవన్ ఫర్ మీ. I know a lot of hours. Go dedicated much. Shipwright upstairs. Here, keep open mind and bring that move up.
Yeah. I mean, it's like you don't have to be a star for that. Like, even people who, especially supporting actors, initially you don't get much work to, or they're not treated well over sets. And someone else shows some attitude or ego towards you. When you are growing with experience and you see new people come in, they tend to show attitude to the new people.
Right.
Because they have faced it.
Oh.
They have faced it, so they tend to show to them. My whole logic is if you have faced it, you do the reverse now. You be better. Why do you have to carry out the same thing to the other person?
For someone like you don't have to that.
Exactly. To be a better person, you understand because you have to use probably have someone who learn with that new person too. And both of you together are going to make this age. You alone are never going to make a scene big.
Coming to your roles on Borasari Parada, I've read that the board, but how did what did go through? There are such brilliant movies.
Yeah. So Mahanati was my first jet car. But showing the reality case that was the big jet car. So the thing was when I got Mahanati, I was super excited because I was like, this who gets to play because parent. Yeah, like I'm like, oh, I'm working other levels. From this level from his up. And Takusa is a supporting book. But still you get to play the protagonist's pair. Though the scenes were very limited, play the protagonist's pair, so obviously you in a movie like that. So I was very super excited. My hopes and my excitement has reached to a different level of work with Ajay Kimaku's brilliant production. Dukkar was amazing. Keith Suresh was amazing. So I couldn't hold my excitement about it. But then I dubbed for it also. Then after the movie released the first day for sure, I got a call from the saying, I didn't see window. That is how I knew that I was out there.
So you didn't say it yourself. How can you call myself? Oh, yeah.
I don't watch my movies on the first day for sure. The only time I watched my movies on the first day for sure, I was extremely disappointed because I told you, right? All my scenes are cut off, and I was so cute at me that is back at that. I took my husband, my friends, and everything. He next thing is mine, and he said, "I love." I'm not feeling decorate. I'm like, oh no, making a next scene, making a next scene. I'm like, oh, movie was spotted out of pocket. So that is when I was disappointed, but I was not that disappointed with this movie. You well, it was the movie itself. Not just me, a lot of people look around, a lot of editing had that. So though I was disappointed, I was okay. Like Mahanati Festival. Mahanati is super excited. I had a expectation on it, everything. And then, so after Kipu, I never saw any movie on the first day. I never looked at it. I never did. So my friend called me and he said, "You're not dead."
Dika part. Take part.
Exactly. So then I called the assistant director. That's when the assistant director said, yes. Said, you should have told me before, ma'am. I would have appreciated if you'd have told me the final, I'm not there in the final guy. She said, yeah, I wanted to, but it just missed or something. And it all happened because creative decisions that they have taken that the character should not be shown or something because it was a very complicated. So I was very disappointed. I was disappointed for weeks that I put it on my social media, my disappointment. I DM'd it up. And me, I made a big issue out of it. And that's when I realized that, oh my God, I shouldn't do this on social media. And then I retrieved my post on the social media. Then people from my JTVs have contacted and said that, yes, okay. I said, no, we fight what I shouldn't have put that. I shouldn't have expressed myself on social media. I didn't think I was popular enough that someone could take it from my social media and put it up. I thought I'm like just nothing. I just putting it at my personal profile and I think I really have to pick it up and make it sure of it. So I was disappointed, but that was a very good learning. From since then, I said I had realized one thing that whether it is success or failure, whether it is hopes or disappointment, any kid should not go high.
Balance.
You do your job. Once you're done with the project, forget about the project. Don't have any hopes on the project. You give your best in the project. So now I don't even see if I'm edited out, if my scenes are there, if my scenes are not there. I don't watch my movies. some movies I watched, but I watched much later. Not on the day of the release or during the release. I watched them much later. Then I'm separated from that project. And I get separated from that project. I do my work, I do my dubbing, and after that project. What the results of project is, whether how much I'm there, how much is edited out, I really doesn't it. If I get good feedback out of that project, if I get something beneficial out of that project, I'm grateful to that. Even if I don't, and I learned something on the process, I enjoy the process. I enjoy the episodes. I enjoy acting. I enjoy working for the camera. What happens to the project and how much I'm edited on there is none of our business outside. I enjoy doing the process and leaving is what I say. I don't take the
Plus the process won't pay for it.
yeah. I don't think about that. I just enjoy it. Yeah, I just enjoy it with my 100% and I'm done.
How was it, Burger? We
Ashwini sir, Ashwini sir very rarely comes on sets, but whenever he comes, he has nice conversations with us. He's very friendly. He tells us about the olden days, how the movies used to be, when he talked to us about others, APR, the rules, how we did movies with them and all. But he used to share all that mostly. He used to come and share all that, but most production artists and like, oh yeah, and that's sweet. They're very nice. We treat all of us equally, all the actors, and they treated you like a family. Sweet.
so you're not part of Kali.
No, I'm not anymore. No. Just because you're friends, you don't have to be part of everything. Really. It holds good for everyone in my industry. But
So did you ever told on that ever know the reject this or what?
of course,
Why did you reject us?
well, just because I think it has nothing much to do. Either whether too many board scenes, which I was not in cover, or there is not much both. There was not much I could like. So there is not much that was off. I would ask them, can you please explain? And there's not. Sometimes you land up in the project thinking there is something, but then it might not be something. However, some you initially only know that there's not much, so you reject. So it's an intuition. I go by my intuition. I talk to them, when I listen to it, what I feel at that point of time, I take it out.
So we're in industry. It's like constantly what? How do you keep up? Do you still attend workshops? So practice your craft. Kela kahe those
What do you think? That's a good question. I don't have workshops, I should. I always keep thinking action. But for me, unfortunately, when the workshops keep come, time I have shift things. And sometimes I want to go to workshop exactly clashes with the shift day or something. I get excited when I have to learn and have workshop. Unfortunately, I haven't done that. Sure. But for me, keeping up is usually is that I regularly give your auditions. So any casting call, I audition it and I practice it 100 times. I do monologues it. If I see someone doing a very good monologue, I record my sets. I look in a mirror and I do the monologues and I record my sets. And I never say you can audition.
Okay,
I give not just their script, but at least something that I can watch. So that's a great practice. Then I see it would mostly each month. So I just love something, some I did. I just tend to take that big process. And
what do you wondering is so that you would want to be made it till something of that stuff? And not it then. You think it's house? Office one yeah. So workshop से better का but recent auditions से तो एक नीचे recent
I still get says, when was the last audition that I did? I recently Shrikant delivered in screen testing wheelchair. Oh, it was like a proper shoot. It was not a bed shoot because he's making some weird. He's making towards foods that as the correction of that. So it was like a proper shoot actually. So I didn't think I was going for the shoot. I thought I was going for an audition. But it was a proper shoot, all the cameras, everything, editor, and you see all the actors, lines, half half day light practice chesemo. Then both actors were there, we were in makeup, we were in costume. Oh. So this time I wanted to pick a audition from speed test from proper test shoot. Fully.
Marina.
Yeah. It's just like I need a shoot at scene and take that way.
So since you're in the profession with this, only which there's a lot of time I get for it parallel work. Like it's only balance your role. Tell about it.
So one way I balance my life is I have helpers at home. So I always kind of work as helpers like my cook, my maid. Also. So I really appreciate what they have let me do because they have been hectic, and I'm also my remuneration goes to paying them. So there's a balance, and of course, whenever I make time, mom ke shoot is over. So that's the reason I'm not seeing for a lot of times if one of Texas, and even if I have to go to a workshop for me, the balance is that okay. When I don't have a shoot, how much time can I give to this? If my kids are exact, so if they need each or not, so I have to get that. Whenever I don't have a shoot, I'm not a team. I'm not a piece of. Otherwise, most of the time I'd say to my husband or an most of the work. So I would like to thank them.
So the stories that made the after
Oh, my house. Nobody in my house cares what they're set quick. If it have watched by quicks, oh, it's like a year the job for it. She's out for work. She's back from work.
okay.
That's not enough. Huh.
So discuss this in when the I know about it. What the for you're open.
So okay, because the only reasons me dating out. I have something to bet out about the history or met out about my roles or what I can work I do. I can I'm a highly capable person. So I call and I was like, see how bad and I can quite do that. Why did it done it? It's okay. Don't worry. And I tell you walk away. That's all. And my kids are a repeat kid. So no, it's like I hear the job for. It doesn't make my workout sweats.
Obviously, I'm in the cinema so choose no. So we to have an awkward selfie moment and when we keep a talk on it.
Only awkward acted you. I went out with my family. So I was like, first of all, I didn't think even recognized because very daily to recognize. So, but this time I was like generally talking, and then some lady she comes, she just puts her phone in front of me, she clicks and she walks away. Oh. And after staring like, what it just happened? She's like,
Permission more left.
oh, man, what just happened? I was like, first of all, I never thought anyone recognized me. So the moment someone comes and just looks at your legs, just put the camera next and get moving, it's like, okay, what just happened?
Right, look what's in pen. Right, okay.
Yeah. And sometimes some people they just come up and say, can they have you acting you're an actor that type. Like, yeah. So they ask you, what movies did you act in? And I'm like, I acted in a lot of movies. No, tell me one or two. And I'm like, what movie do I tell? No, I've seen you in some movie. Tell me name one or two movies. I'm like, I acted in so many movies. I don't know which movie she saw, right? So I'm like, I say the recent movie, right? Oh no, I watched that. Oh, tell me another one. And this gets embarrassing. Comfort. This gets embarrassing because I'm reading my whole resume to see which one she saw me. And I'm like, maybe this one. No, I watched that also. Like, maybe it's. Then I come to the place where I'm like, maybe it's not me. Maybe it's a stupid.
Meaning is anything last month.
It's a little embarrassing because they don't remember who. It's nothing more than Sigulakano. Single book of practice. They know that say you on Sputika. Place you exactly where they have seen. So it's a little embarrassing for us to keep giving your resume and profile so that they can pick and choose which movie you saw. So it was a very interesting experience.
So me peen rolling. Deep like a
I just want some nice significant roles to be played. Nice, good, significant roles which turn the story around. And that web series or movie or whatever it is should become a hit. Because sometimes you have brilliant roles, but no one watches it or it doesn't become a hit. Sometimes you do really small roles, and then it comes a like push part. It's like there's nothing much in that, but then it became a huge hit. It did have an impact, but it's had a much bigger, how much bigger impact. You can ask you can joke like that. And so I want those two to come in sync at some point. My Nakshit paper where these two come in sync, where the role is extremely significant. I really enjoyed the role, and also it should become it and by the opinions.
So I think that apps
Both to come to last.
and gives easy about power. So Shivish is a very demanding field. There's a lot of mock So what do you look at as sort of for upcoming actors who want to become a who want to take acting as a profession? Because television people know they don't touch it in acting as a profession. So what do you suggest upcoming actors and kids on that? What did I move? What kind of work did that they can let what suggest you?
So first thing ఏంటంటే తెలుగు ఇక్కడ మీరు consider acting as profession is changing, which is a good thing. But thing is అందరూ యాక్టర్ అబ్బాయి అనుకోవడం ఒక ఎత్తైతే పర్సివరెన్స్ టు బీ దేర్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. వెయిట్ ఫర్ యూర్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఫర్ దాట్ కాన్స్టెంట్లీ అంటే నేను ఆడిషన్స్ ఇవ్వను, లేకపోతే నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాను, నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ని చేశారు, సో ఇది చెయ్యడం అది చేయడం కాకుండా ఇన్ ద బిగినింగ్ go give auditions, because auditions is like a rehearsal. It's like a practice. For you, it's like total rehearsal and practice. So, abhi keliken asal whether it be stage theater audition sites, like a movie audition site, sorry, short film audition site, sorry. And it's like giving those auditions for usually different kind of characters. Hello. So the learning process, let's proceed it's in there as I go keep for you get a careers asking I can only you can't just sit there because I need stage. And the most importantly, be professional. Because lot of people value how professional you are. Like you వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడను వాళ్ళు అమ్మాయిని వచ్చి లేకపోతే మనకి కొన్నిసార్లు ఏంటంటే ఇలా 2 సార్లు పిక్ చేయడం 3 సార్లు పిక్ చేయడం ఏం చేయలేదు అని మనం ఫైనల్గా వచ్చి మనం లైక్ తీసుకుంటాం బట్ 10 సార్లు కలిసిన వెళ్ళు వాడికి 9వ సారి అరే వీడు ఇంత డెడికేటెడ్ ఉన్నారు కదా అని he will give you a role, or this dedication will show fruits maybe 5 years after. వాడికి గుర్తొస్తావు ఆ టైంలో గుర్తొస్తావు, గుర్తు రావాల్సిన టైంలో కెప్టెన్ గుర్తొస్తావు. అరే అప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఒకసారి వచ్చారు బాగా కష్టపడ్డాడు, బాగా కేసాలు వచ్చాయి వాడికి ఇచ్చినా కూడా, కానీ ఆ రోజు మనకు కుదరలేదు, కూడా మేము పొదేరు నేనైతే అప్పటికప్పుడు షార్ట్ టర్మ్ రిజల్ట్ రాలేదని చెప్పేసి డోంట్ లూజ్ ఆన్ టు యువర్ డెడికేషన్ ఆర్ ప్రొఫెషనలిజం ఆర్ డిటర్మినేషన్ అండ్ హార్ట్. నువ్వు నీ డెడికేషన్ని కంటిన్యూస్గా చూపిస్తూనే ఉంది. బికమ్ దట్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ డెడికేటెడ్. ఇద్దరు ఆస్కి అయితే కమ్మని అంటే బాగుంటుంది ఇంటికి. అరే వీడు ఇస్తారా పిలుస్తాడు ఇట్లా ఇస్తాడు వద్దు వినేవో పావు ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అదిలో షోకి నేను చూపించాలి అది అప్పటికప్పుడు రిజల్ట్ ఇవ్వకపోతే షార్ట్ టర్మ్ రిజల్ట్స్ మీరు చెక్ చేస్తున్నారు. షార్ట్ టర్మ్ రిజల్ట్స్ చూడొచ్చు, చూడద్దు, ఎందుకంటే అది లేటర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇస్తుంది. ఇట్స్ ఫ్రూట్ లేటర్. డోంట్ టేక్ షార్ట్ టర్మ్.
Instill success and was some should not choose that. Success,
You have to wait a bit. Become that person who is dedicated. You can't have a backup plan. Start working parallel and dedicate. Give time to both of it. No? If you can give 100% in both the places, get it. If you think financially, you have to be good enough. Work financially. That's it. I really example because Saturday was really awesome, but why he was doing this now. That's because he could give 100% both of it. If you can do that, you'll be financially well and also you're giving 100%.
So get upcoming projects with
Yeah, right now I have a list Jack. Bumri was
Tatka.
Satat Pra. Let's go. And there's another one, Tarun Bhaskar, in the got Santi Santi. So on is like Chivo lyrics and the Kaki actually take the Sambara like excited. And another underneath it. In and another web series called
On the Austin Venom, the book of that's it. Will you work for my side?
Thank you for your question. This is wonderful talking to you.
ఏమన్నా is there any message for our audience that
I hope it does it. To dream, but more than dreaming, work on it. Working on it and being patient is what will take you where you have to go or where you want. Just don't get disappointed. Just keep working. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. So I say, enjoy the process and just be 100% be there. Here when it be there. So we have.